Now we come to question number 9. Question is, a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in the field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. See, this is the pipe from which the water is flowing. The diameter of the pipe is 20 centimeter, and water from this pipe is going into a cylindrical tank which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through pipe at rate of 3 kilometer per hour, the water from this pipe is flowing at a rate of 3 kilometer per hour. In how much time will the tank be filled? Now see here, distance traveled by water in 1 hour is equal to 3 kilometer, because water is flowing at a rate of 3 kilometer per hour. It means that water is flowing at a rate of 3 kilometer per hour, means that in 1 hour distance traveled by water is 3 kilometer, means that water in 1 hour distance traveled by water in 1 hour is equal to 3 kilometer. This is the height of this pipe. You can see the water is traveling from this pipe in this shape, then it is the height of pipe. Height of pipe traveled by water in 1 hour is equal to 3 kilometer, means 3000 meter. Then volume of water traveled through pipe in 1 hour will be equal to pi r square h, because it is cylindrical pipe. The volume of water will be equal to the volume of the pipe up to a height of 3 kilometer is pi r square h. Pi into 20 by 200, because 20 centimeter was given diameter, then 20 by 2 centimeter will be the radius, and 20 by 200 will be the radius in meters. Therefore, here we have used r is equal to 20 by 200. Then it becomes equal to pi into 20 by 200 into 20 by 200 into 3000. This height up to which the distance the up to which the water traveled in 1 hour is 3000 meter. That is the height up to which the water is going. Then pi, then we solve this 0 cancelize, 2 ones are 2, we have got here 1 by 10, again here 1 by 10. It comes out to be pi multiplied by 3000 divided by 10 into 10. It is comes to be 30 pi cubic meters. The water is flowing from the pipe is, the volume of water that is flowing from the pipe in 1 hour is 30 pi cubic meter. Now volume of water filled in tank in 1 hour is equal to 30 pi cubic meter, because the volume of water that comes out from the pipe will be filled in the tank in the same time in which the water is flowing. If in 1 hour 30 pi cubic meter of water is flowing from pipe, means that if in 1 hour the volume of water that is flowing from pipe is 30 pi cubic meter, the same volume will be filled in the tank in 1 hour, that is 30 pi cubic meter. Now total volume of tank, because we are to fill this tank fully, then we are to find that how much water will be filled in this tank. Then total volume of tank is pi into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into height, that is 2 meter. See here, height is the 2 meter, diameter is the 10 meter, then 10 by 2 will be the radius. Pi r square h we use to find the volume of this tank. The volume of this tank will tell us that the capacity of the tank in which the water will be filled. The quantity of water that will be filled in this tank will be equal to the volume of this tank. Then total volume of tank is equal to pi into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into 2 pi r square h. It is 50 pi cubic meters. Volume of water, that is 30 pi cubic meter, is filled in 1 hour. Just now we have found that this much quantity of water will be filled in 1 hour in the tank. Means volume of water, that is 30 pi cubic meter, is filled in 1 hour. Then volume of water, that is 1 cubic meter, is filled in 1 by 30 pi hour. Then volume of water, that is 50 pi, that we have just now find out that this is the total volume of the tank. This volume will be filled in 1 by 30 pi into 50 pi. We cancelize, we get 5 by 3 hour. Now we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 5 by 3 hour will be equal to 60 into 5 by 3, that is 100 minutes. Means the tank will be filled, this full tank will be filled in 100 minutes. Now this is the solution for this question. This is the solution for this question.